Welcome to this presentation. This is the first session on the new reservation system. You can reserve material for customer orders, for work orders. Items with serial numbers or batches and bin locations are fully supported. Goods which have been reserved are not available for other orders. Reservations are taken into account by the MRP. Let's have an example. We open a work order, and on the right you see a green barrel indicating that goods have been reserved. New features are available in right-click menu: the reservation, material requirement, allocation, and material charge off. These features relate to all material which is connected to the selected work order entry. If we now click reservation, a new screen opens, displaying all material which is related to the BOM entry. A green barrel means the reservation is complete. We have enough material. A grey barrel would indicate that only a part has been reserved and that there is not enough material. Let's now delete all these reservations by selecting all. Now all barrels are gone and we have no reservations anymore. We can reopen the entry. Left below, the available stock on warehouse is displayed. For this material, which is located in warehouse 1, we now create a manual reservation of 5 pieces. These 5 pieces are now reserved. The total requirement has been covered. Another possibility, we double-click the line. Automatically the required quantity is entered, in this case 3 pieces. Now we can manually adjust and enter only 1 piece. You see that 2 pieces are remaining, and again a double click, the remaining amount is 0. If we now add another piece, the barrel turns red, because we have more reserved than we need. Now for this line the reservation can be deleted clicking this icon, and again with double click the correct amount is reserved. Now we select a serial number related item, and all available serial numbers are displayed left below. We need 5 pieces. Now it's possible to enter manually or to click pre-allocate. What happened? From top down all serial numbers are reserved. In the upper list the required material is displayed. On the left the available stock, on the right the current reservations. The list on the left is sorted by priorities. First, the stock on the allocation warehouse. Secondly, stock on standard warehouse or the warehouse indicated in the BOM item, and then all other warehouses. Within each warehouse the list is sorted by withdrawal rules for batches, which can be set up in Configuration Wizard. There, in Material and Reservation, Backflushing, Automatic Batch Charge Off, you can select the required criteria. If you have bin locations in your warehouse, these are also displayed and can be selected, of course. In bin location management, a withdrawal rule can be stored, which again is used here for sorting the bins. Click on pre-allocate to activate the pre-allocation function, which takes into account all priorities and rules. Now we delete all reservations to show another possibility. Click on all pre-allocate and all items are marked and pre-allocated. According to the pre-allocation rules, to each item the material is assigned. Please remember, goods which had been reserved firmly are not available for any other work orders. One item could not be assigned, this O ring below, because it has no stock. Now we reopen the work order and you see all reserved items there, the grey barrels, are the reservations and the serial numbers. If we now click on one specific line, the reservation screen opens only for this line. You can also use multiple selection. So for example these two, and the reservation screen opens for these two selected items. This multiple selection works also for different work orders. So we can take one item from one and some other items from within one work order, and opening the reservation screen we get a list with items from different work orders. Now in this list only items are displayed which are really available. So if a position is closed, let's close it. Just resize the screen and close the position. Now we try to reserve this. It's not possible, so we can only select the whole area and open the reservation. And now we see item number 30, that one in the middle, is missing because we closed it before. There's another restriction. Only items with remaining requirement are displayed in this reservation list. So for example, if we reopen the item, now we see the charge off screen with the same design as the reservation screen. We charge off this item. Now the remaining quantity has gone to 0. And we click again the reservation screen. Now this position is still open, but it is not displayed because there is no remaining requirement. The standard view has an active filter displaying only the current requirement. To make it visible, right click, select filter all. Now it is there with no requirement. We can reserve one more and get again the red barrel because now we have too much material. That was the first session on reservation. Thanks for your attention.